Hello. Today I'm your guide. Let's travel together from Incheon Airport to Gangnam Station. We'll take a bus, ride the subway, and transfer. After this video, you won't get lost in Seoul. The first thought when you land. How do I get to Seoul? There's one magic phrase for this.
어떻게 가요?
How do I get there? Add your destination.
서울까지 어떻게 가요?
The word
까지.
marks the destination. You can swap it.
강남역까지 어떻게 가요?
Today's key verb.
타다.
To ride, to take.
버스를 타요.
Take a bus.
지하철을 타요.
Take the subway. One verb covers them all. There are two main ways from the airport to Seoul: bus and subway. Today we'll learn both. First, the bus. The airport bus is great when you have luggage. You sit comfortably, and your bags go in the compartment below. The place you catch a bus is
정류장.
bus stop. Just outside the airport you'll find them.
버스 정류장이 어디예요?
Korean buses are identified by number. So you ask,
몇 번 버스예요?
which bus number? Know the number and you can go anywhere. To ask about time.
얼마나 걸려요?
How long does it take? Buses can be delayed by traffic, so always ask. The fare is
요금. 요금이 얼마예요?
How much is the fare? The airport bus costs a bit more than the subway. But today we'll take the subway. Why? It never gets stuck in traffic, so the time is exact.
빨라요.
Means fast.
지하철.
The subway, a train that runs underground. The one from the airport is called the Airport Railroad. Let's go. But there's a problem. To ride you need a card. Without it you can't get in. This card is called
교통카드.
transit card. Don't worry, you can buy one at a convenience store or machine. Just say,
교통카드 주세요.
a transit card please. Once you have the card you must put money in. That's
충전.
to top up, to charge the card. Say it with an amount.
10,000원 충전해 주세요.
Please top up 10,000 won. One card works for both subway and bus. Very handy. Now the gate. Lightly touch your card to the reader. That's
대다.
to tap.
카드를 대세요.
Tap your card. Beep. And you're through. The gate opens. Success. Now down to the platform. On the platform, another puzzle. There are two directions. Left, right. Which way do we go? So many travelers make a mistake here. Take the wrong direction and you have to come all the way back. A big waste of time. Trains are marked with
행.
bound for.
서울역행.
Means the train bound for Seoul Station. Look for your destination. Still unsure? Just ask.
이거 서울역 가요.
Does this go to Seoul Station? This phrase is your lifeline. Koreans will gladly help.
네. 맞아요.
Yes, that's right. Now you can relax. They say,
아니요.
no, just go to the other side. The doors open, get on. But let people off first. That's the polite way in Korea. No seat? Stand and hold the
손잡이,
Strap, hanging from the ceiling. You'll be steady even when the train rocks. How far is it? Ask.
몇 정거장이에요?
How many stops? And listen to the announcements they call out the next station. We've arrived at Seoul Station, but this isn't Gangnam yet. Here we must change to a different train. Today's most important word.
환승,
Transfer. Changing to a different line is called.
환승,
Remember this one.
환승하다.
And
갈아타다.
mean the same thing.
2호선으로 갈아타요.
Change to line 2. Both are common, learn them together. Transfer corridors are huge. Many signs, many people. It's easy to get confused. So what do we do? Just ask.
어디서 갈아타요?
Where do I transfer? Ask a station staff member or the person next to you. Subway lines are called by number. 1,
호선,
2,
호선,
3.
호선,
Line 1, 2, 3
호선,
means the line number. Gangnam Station is on line 2. So,
2호선으로 갈아타세요.
change to line 2. Let's find it. Here's a tip. Each line has a color. Line 2 is green. Even if you can't read the letters, just follow the color. Now follow the green signs. The arrows show the way. Watch the signs and you'll never get lost. We did it. We've reached the line 2 platform. That's what
환승,
means. Not so hard, right? Now we ride line 2 to Gangnam Station. You can see the city through the window. Almost there. The opposite of
타다.
is
내리다.
to get off.
타다, 내리다,
Learn them as a pair.
여기서 내려요.
I get off here. One last problem. Gangnam Station has a lot of exits. Take the wrong one and you'll walk a long way. So ask,
몇 번 출구예요?
which exit number? In Korea, people meet by exit number. Let's meet at Gangnam exit 11.
11번 출구요.
Exit 11. They answer with a number. Climb the stairs and you're on the streets of Gangnam. Final tip. You can also transfer from the subway to a bus. Just tap the same transit card. So convenient. Let's review.
버스,
Bus,
지하철,
subway,
타다,
ride,
환승,
transfer,
내리다,
get off,
출구.
exit. These 6 words take you anywhere in Seoul. We made it to Gangnam. We traveled all the way from the airport together. Next time, asking for directions. See you then.